surrounded by our loved ones, I stand before you, my heart overflowing with love and gratitude for incredible journey we have shared together.
I remember the time na nagde-date pa lang tayo. Ipinagdasal at hiniling kita sa Queen Sister Church sa Baguio. Kasi sabi nila, pag humiling ka doon, magkakatotoo.
At sa araw na ito, this is your Eden. Dito niya kayo dinala para dito sa lugar na ito, kayo'y pagdikitin, kayo'y pag-isahin. You know, to cleave. To cleave means to be glued together. To be glued together.
So, I wrote down my wish at isa ka sa hiling ko. Sabi ko, Lord, sana si Paul na. Sana siya na yung huling makikilala ko. Sana siya na hanggang sa dulo. And here we are, getting married.
I promise to you from the depths of my soul, these sacred and enduring vows. First and foremost, I vow to love you unconditionally. I promise to cherish you, the uniqueness that makes who you are, and to support you wholeheartedly as we grow and evolve together.
Our relationship was never easy. The distance was hard, difficult, and painful. We fight and beat the obstacle in our way. But today, it's all worth it. Thank you for your patience and understanding. Kahit sa mga panahon na hirap ka lang itindihan ako, pilit mo pa rin ako iniintindi.
Whatsoever God hath joined together, let no man put asunder. Sino man ang pinagsama ng Diyos ay hindi dapat paghiwalayin ng tao.
Thank you kasi hindi mo ako sinubukan. Thank you for loving my imperfections and accepting my issues and flaws. And by the grace of God, I vow to be a good wife to you. I promise to be your anchor in times of uncertainty, your shelter in the midst of life's storms, and your constant source of love and comfort.
Is this it? I could've sworn it looked a whole lot different from
Ang first meet, sa bahay nila. In-invite ako ng friend niya sa bahay nila kasi birthday niya. Kasi naano ako sa kanya, like, napugyan ako sa kanya. Nagapuhan gano'n. Kumanta po siya, tapos, ayun, parang nine love agad. Shit, ang ganda ng boses niya. Tapos, ayun, ganun.
when the rain falls down. Hold up the roof. So glad that I got you. No, I don't say
Last year po sana kami magpapakasal. Kaso yung parents ko po, sabi next year na lang. So ngayon po yun. Kasi po, gusto ko po siyang kunin sa Canada. Kasi ayoko na ng LDR. Yun po kasi yung pinakamadaling process. Tsaka para mabantayan.
so glad that I got you. When the rain falls down. Hold up the roof. So glad that I got you. No, I don't say love. Baby, it's the truth.
And lastly, I vow that you and I will never have a broken family again. I love you always.
Sir,
Paul,
ibibigay ko sa'yo ang singsing na ito
ganda ng aking tapat at di ko kupas
na pag-ibig ko sa iyo. At sa pamamagitan
ng singsing na ito, ikaw ay aking pakakasalan bilang aking asawa.
every single day. Through the highs and lows, the laughter and tears, I promise to stand by your side. Honoring the commitment we make today, our love is a gift that I will cherish and nurture, holding my heart and soul. I give you my love and promise to be your loving partner for all the days of our life.
Ngunit kahit saan ka mapapan, kahit lang doon ang lumipas, kahit ika'y makalayo sa piling ko, ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko. Ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko. Ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko. Ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin. Ikaw ang pipiliin.
Akin pong iniharap sa inyo ang bagong mag-asawa. Sila na ngayon ay sina Mr. and Mrs. Paul Edgar and Cherry Ann Gregorio. Palakpakan natin.
Sa piling